tech.
That's great, guys. Joined by Bheki. And can I just say, that's why I don't have a voice, guys. It's all because of the Stormers and the Chiefs game. Are you a rugby fan?
Not much, but hey, I watch a bit of rugby in my spare time, so yeah.
You better say you're a Stormer fan.
Stormers.
Yes. Now this week, Bheki, it's all about, hashtag Hectic Knows, and just answering all those questions that kids have, whether it is about science, technology, and communication. Now, Mindtrix Media is doing exactly that. Please tell us a little bit more about that exactly, and also why did you find the need to start this business?
Alright, so Mindtrix Media is a creative design agency. What we do is basically brand development, concept, digital marketing campaigns, managing social media accounts for clients, all the way down to building apps and websites. The main core reason why I started a business is because I really just enjoyed having dominion over all aspects of my life.
Okay.
I really just enjoy being in control of everything, whether it is how much I get paid, whether it's how long I work, and all of that kind of things. And when I heard about entrepreneurship, I thought, wow, that's the life I want to live. So I basically found what I was passionate about, which was design, web design, and then turned that into a business. So I basically do what I love all day, every day.
Now, I know there's a lot of other businesses or services like Mindtrix Media, but how is your business different from the rest?
It's quite simple. We're a black, young, innovative agency based in the township.
Wow.
And we're basically able to come up with creative strategies that also tie into the business objective for clients. So not only do we make pretty things, but we make pretty things that meet the client's business objective. So whether it is sales, whether it is feet through the door, whatever it may be, we always try and go the extra mile in actually executing that. And I think, the track record over the past 7-8 years has really just helped us become one of the thriving businesses in South Africa.
Lovely, and of course, if you are a lover of technology, then this is the way to go. Now, please tell us a little bit more about the app that you have created.
So we create a number of apps, and Where to Learn is one of them. And basically what it is it's an online portal for guys that have just finished matric.
Okay.
And it allows you to just register on Where to Learn, download the app, and basically it's got a list of all the universities and tech universities. Over here you've got like a little petrol pump, and it's where you can basically find bursaries, loans, opportunities and so forth. So basically the admin guys would push out all of the data, and it just comes through to notifications to all the users. And it enables people that just want to get into university and find opportunities to kind of do it in a more streamlined manner in one spot.
Wow, I love it. Now, for viewers watching and they're like, oh my God, I want to create an app as well. They have a really great idea and they want to put it into an application. Where can they start? What can they do? Can they create an app on their phone? Is it possible?
I'd say it is, but I mean, I'd always just kind of work desktop. More core thing about it is you need to understand the basic languages. So HTML, for example, which is hypertext markup language, is just basic code instructions which you kind of send to a browser or a computer or an iPad or whatever. So once they learn the basics of HTML, they therefore need to go and learn JavaScript, which is the main...
A lot of terminology.
It is the main language used to basically write code.
Okay.
SDKs are just software used, it's called software development kits, which are used to basically write Android software and apps and so forth. But there's a lot of free spaces where the guys can learn the basics of it. So Shaw Academy is one space. Google actually has a nice, cool platform where guys can learn how to write code, test their own apps.
Wow, because I know learning to write a code is a whole adventure on its own before even getting to the application process.
Yeah, so you basically learn the language, which is HTML, JavaScript, PHP, whatever you want to go into. And then once you get further into those, you therefore start developing more robust creative things for your clients.
Wow, that's amazing. What would you say is next for you, my love?
I think, just taking over the world like Pinky and the Brain. On a more serious note, I think it's just making a tangible difference in the community that we're in. I think the one core thing that stands out for me and Mindtrix and our team is just our brand philosophy, which is changing the world through design.
Wow.
And so forth, what we've done is we've helped about 40 guys go through tertiary institutions and then get into the actual industry. So it's the main reason why we're based in the township, so we can become a beacon of hope and also just find these talented young guys and bring them into the industry. So I'd love to just make more of a difference to South Africa, one design at a time.
You're doing it, making a difference through technology. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for joining us, Bheki. Guys, do remember, if you have any questions for Bheki, whether it is about technology, science, or how to go about creating your own app, hop onto Facebook and Twitter and let us know. #HecticKnows.
Hectic.